What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another ceramic coating job. It is a, what is this? A Mercedes C43 AMG. So I'm gonna wash this one, wash it, clay it, decon it, do a 2-stage paint correction, and I'm gonna throw Onyx 5-year ceramic coating on this bad boy. The only thing is that the customer did recommend, he said not to do a compound and polish on the fenders, hood, and bumper because it had PPF. So I'm just going to do the paint correction on the doors and back, and I'll ceramic coat the PPF. So make sure you tag along on this video and watch to the end and see the final results of this thing, and let me know what you think. Oh, this car is extremely dirty. We're going to throw a pre-soak on this Coach Chemi Green Star. I diluted it 5-to-1, so we're gonna spray that over the whole car. The rims are really bad. Check that out. And we're gonna use my non-acid wheel cleaner. So it tore, but I sell the 16 ounce for $10. And check out how this works. Oh shit! Oops. Now I want to introduce Ivan. He's my new worker, so he's going to be in my videos here and there. My non-acid wheel cleaners works well on coated rims. Coated rims. Don't spray it on chrome or raw aluminum, my non-acid wheel cleaner. And it just breaks up dirt, grime, the tire shine. But I'm going to go ahead and not talk anymore, and I'm gonna do music in the background and do more like a cinematic view. So enjoy this video.